Hi, my name is Frank Rizzo. I'm a partner in the advisory part of our business in KPMG in South Africa. My role is to look after the technology sector across our African practices. We've recently launched a global technology innovation survey, and I wanted to just share some thoughts from that survey with everybody. Unfortunately, South Africa and African practices weren't covered specifically in the survey, but we did pick up on a number of trends across the world, and I'd like to comment on how those affect our clients that we see across our continent in Africa. So the key things are, what are the big drivers and what are the big trends that we're seeing? Really mobile technology, and that we know in Africa still has a way to go. The penetration has increased, but there's going to be a lot more of that. We're starting to see cloud really taking off as well, and the data component. So both the big data side and the analytics that people are starting to use to understand how customers behave, and hopefully also to start predicting how customers will behave so that you can target your products a lot more effectively. The other interesting point that came out of our survey is the focus on innovation and how much companies are really gearing up their innovation spend and effort and energy. My view across Africa, we are also putting lots of effort into innovation, but the innovation is quite specific to our market needs. So we really need to understand what our problems are in Africa and find African solutions to African problems. We've seen that, for example, in Kenya, there's been really great initiatives around mobile money, and that's leading the world to an extent. So we don't necessarily just have to follow the trends from the developed economies, but there's so much good stuff that's happening in our continent addressing needs that are specific to us, and that's going to continue. What this does require, though, is a particular type of skill set. It's not just about the creativity and innovation, it's also about understanding the actual science behind this, right? So our education system needs to produce a lot more people with maths, science understanding of the technology landscape, and most importantly is how do you take that technology and convert it into business. So it's really commercializing that technology opportunity. So there was an article, I think, end of last year in one of the popular publications saying that the next internet billionaire will be from Africa. I'm convinced that's the case. We need to just develop our skills pool to make sure that is the case. There's tons of opportunity on this continent. Technology is really creating that opportunity and empowering people to take advantage of that opportunity. And I look forward to many more innovations from our people across this continent. For more detailed information, please look for our Technology Innovation Survey on our global website, kpmg.com. You'll be able to find it under the Technology tab. And my name is Frank Rizzo. I'm a partner in Johannesburg, looking after technology for our practice across Africa. If you need more details from me, please contact me. I'm based in Johannesburg. Very, very keen to chat to you more about this.